Hello saxophones, and welcome to your first guided music practice video. Hopefully you'll remember that my name is Miss Ryan, and today we are going to be revising our first 6 notes, ties, and learning our new note, F sharp. Today you'll be successful when you can easily play your first 6 notes, recognizing them on all of the things on page 10, and then playing your new note F sharp in exercise 36. Remember that you want to make sure that your fingers are doing exactly what you say and to tongue the start of every note. Let's see if we can remember our first 6 notes. Pause now and play them. Hopefully you said that the first 6 notes are G, A, B, C, D, E. Let's play them together. Now play them on your own again. Now let's look at exercise 30. Say the notes and do the fingers from the beginning. C2, E, D2, E2, rest, rest. E2, D2, C2, rest, rest. C2, D2, E2, D2, E2, D2, C2, 3, 4. Now let's play it together. Pause and see if you can play it by yourself. Now play it again and make sure you're blending with your and playing with your most beautiful sound and making sure that you're tonguing the start of every note. Now pause and play it as many times as you need to until it feels really, really easy. Now that we've warmed up and we've played our first notes and we've remembered what our first 6 notes are, let's go down to exercise 35 for a bit more of a challenge. Exercise 35, what we're going to do is say the notes and do the fingers just for the first 2 bars. G, A, G, A, G, A, G. Now see if you can do the next 2 bars on your own. Pause it here. G, B, G, B, G, B, G. Hopefully that's what yours sounded like. Try the next one on your own. Now with me. G, C, G, C, G, C, G. Now the last 2 bars. D, C, B, A, G, D, G. See if you can identify which bar is the hardest, or which two bars are the hardest. Pause here and practice those two bars on your own. Now let's go from the beginning, nice and slowly. Now pause and try it on your own. How did you go playing and reading your first 6 notes? Are you comfortable? Did you feel like you could quickly and easily read those notes and put down the right fingers? Hopefully the answer is yes. We're now going to revise ties. So looking up at exercise 31, we've done this one, we did it at the end of last term. Remember that a tie connects 2 notes that are the same and makes it one long note. Let's play 31. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat it on your own and pause now. Now let's do our new note F sharp. Look at exercise 36. See how many F sharps you can see. I can see 7. Can you see 7? Point to all of the F sharps. Now let's play them. F sharp sounds like this. And it is played with 1, 2, 3, and our middle finger in our right hand. So 1, 2, 3, and middle finger. It's just like G, our first note, but with 1 extra finger in the middle. Play that note another 3 times on your own. Now looking at the start of exercise 36, say the notes and do the fingers for the first 2 bars. G, F sharp, G, F sharp, F sharp. Now let's play it together. Now it's your turn on your own. Now say the notes for the next 2 bars. G, A, G, F sharp, G, 2, 3, and do that again. G, A, G, F sharp, G, 2, 3. If your fingers found that really easy, do it with me now. If you found it hard, pause and play it again. Now let's say it from the beginning all the way to there. G, F sharp, G, F sharp, F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, G, 2, 3, rest. Say it again on your own, pause it here. Now let's play it together. found that really easy, awesome, good job, do it again. If you found it really hard, do it another 3 times. Pause here. Now look at the next 2 bars. Say the notes and do the fingers. G, G, F sharp, G, G, A. Say it again. G, G, F sharp, G, G, A. Now play it with me. Now try it by yourself, pause it here. Now look at the next 2 bars, say the notes and do the fingers. G, F sharp, G, A, G. And again. G, F sharp, G, A, G. Now try and play it. Now say and do the fingers for the last 4 bars. G, G, F sharp, G, G, A, G, F sharp, G, A, G. Repeat that as many times as you need to, and let's play. Hopefully you found that all right. Now let's go from the beginning, saying the whole thing with our fingers. G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, G. Keep going. G, G, F sharp, G, G, A, G, F sharp, G, A, G. Do that by yourself now. Pause, make sure you're saying the notes and doing the right fingers. Now let's play it together with smart music. How successful were you at playing that? If you found it a little bit tricky, go back and practice it at least 3 more times. Remember, we want to practice to get it right every single time, not to get it right just once. Think back on the rest of the lesson. How did you go playing your first 6 notes? Are we now comfortable playing them all? Were we successful in counting our ties? Do we now know how to play an F sharp? Hopefully the answer to all those questions was yes. For an extra challenge, keep going, play the rest of page 11. Use the tools that we did in today's lesson: chunking, playing things in small sections, saying the notes, doing the fingers, and then playing. Send me a recording of your practice, either by Smart Music or your parents' email addresses, and let me know how you are going. Let me know if I'm going too fast, and tell me how I can help you get better. Keep up the good work and keep practicing.